What's up, witches? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. Happy Magical Monday. So, we are going to open up the September Inked Goddess box. So, all I've done is remove the address label and cut the sticker. And this is what it looks like when it comes in the mail. So, I will. So, you can see what I see. Alright, so this is the little card that tells you everything that's in it, but I like to be surprised for the most part. And it comes with a card with all the information. You want to take a screenshot. Alright, so bubble wrap. Oh, okay. It's a wooden box in a box. Beautiful. Alright, so off with the bubble wrap. It smells good. It smells like cedar, which I'm assuming it is. Oh, how pretty. Okay. So it has carvings in it. So I'm going to... And there's the little lock. I love boxes. This is cool. Right up my alley. Ooh. Okay, so show you like that. And now I'm just going to... Let me prop this up. I'm really enjoying this subscription box, and it's $35 a month. And they take it out on the first, second, or third. It depends. It's usually by the third of each month. And then I already got it. I mean, it's the 8th, and I got this yesterday. This came in the mail yesterday on the 7th. So, let me try to move this just a little bit now. There. Okay, better. Alright, so our first item is Happy Place Cauldron Simmer. Looks like that. And let me put my glasses on. What do you guys think of my hat? I'm loving it. It's wool. It's nice. It's nice for outdoor witchiness. Alright, so Happy Place Cauldron Simmer. It's a blend of uplifting herbs and scents to create peace and happiness in your sacred space. Add the herb blend to water in a mini crock pot or a pot on the stove or a wax warmer and simmer on low to infuse the scent through your home. And I can smell it through here, and it's lovely. Does it say what's in it? It says cinnamon, catnip, lemon balm, lemon peel, clove, bergamot essential oil, and lemon essential oil. Wonderful. And it smells like it's, to me, like what I can, it's not like pouring out of here because it's sealed, but like it seems like an uplifting, not like a, I don't know how to explain it. More of an uplifting scent. Okay, so the next thing in here, attracts money incense cones. And they're by Hem. So let me find them on here. Oh, so the wooden box, it says, Witchy Things wooden box, decorate as you wish, and use this box as an altar box, a manifestation box, or to house your witchy wares. So, and it's pretty. And let's see, salt blend, la, 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 la. This is perfect for cleansing energy and setting the witchy tones in your sacred space. Which scent chose you? So I guess it's, and mine is the attracts money. Hey, I'll take it. Alright, so next thing is this little purple tea light. And it smells, oh, that smells wonderful. All right, let's find this. Molly's favorite tea light candle. We asked Molly to make 4 of her favorite tea light blends. Which one chose you? Mine was the purple, which is weird. WYRD. Wired. And like if you got teal, it would have been the Sea Witch. If you got gray, it would have been Avalon. If you would have got white, it was Crystal Witch. Mine was WYRD. I don't know where my phone is, or I would look that up for you. All right, so there's that. So we're going into the box. Oh, we got the Wheel of Fortune. Awesome, that goes right along with that money. Pin. That will go right on my purse. I love pins. Right up my alley. So, tarot pin. Decorate your purse, wardrobe, or even your tarot bag with this golden black tarot pin. Which card and which meaning chose you? Mine was Wheel of Fortune. That's a good card. Usually. Alright, so we're going to go with this. Ritual Salt. Alright, how do I open this? They all come in these little Ziploc bags. So it says Ritual Salt, Salt, Psychic. And that has purple salt, amethyst, gemstone, sand, cornflower, and mugwort. And I love mugwort. And the other thing is clear quartz, energy, amplifier, balance, healing, and cleansing, and psychic. So on the card, the gemstone chip jar, they're perfect for spell bags. And then it says which gemstone chose you, and you can use them in spell jars and witchy crafting. And I got the clear quartz, and I love clear quartz. And the ritual salt. The ritual salt blend. This new ritual item from Ink Goddess Creations can be used as an offering on your altar, sprinkled around your altar, or put into a spell jar or bag. Each blend contains salt, gemstone, sand, and herbs to support the blend's intention. Which blend chose you? And mine was Psychic. And that's wonderful because I do read tarot cards. And I have been actually working on trusting my intuition more. And I think that'll help. All right, so next out of here, before unwrapping, place in the fridge for a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to pause this. And I'll be back. I'm going to go place this in the fridge for a few minutes, and I will be right back. Okay, guys. I'm back. I stuck it in the freezer for about 4 or 5 minutes, so I'm unwrapping it. Sorry, trying to... Oh, I see. Okay, it kind of changes color. I hold my hand on it. See it? Changes color from the heat of my hand. Oh, that's pretty cool. I can't read what it says. Get some light on there. It says, your wish will... Oh, okay. Rub your hand on it and then you can read it. Your wish will be granted. And it disappears again. All right, that's cool. Let me read about it. Very cool. I like stuff like that. It'll be magic. All right, so la, 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 la. Fortune pencil. Ask a yes or no question and rub this pencil to reveal your fortune. So, whatever it is, my wish will be granted. Let's see. We're going to have a good day today. Your wish will be granted. Is that all there is? Apparently, all my wishes are going to come true. Damn right they are. All right, so anyway, there's the pencil. Look how cool that is. I love it. All right, so next in here is a little notebook. And it says, I was reading earlier, Witchy Things Mini Notebook. Notebook. Keep with you for your witchy thoughts and spells, or near you for your bed to record your dreams. Which I do have a dream journal. Because I dream and I have some really weird, wicked dreams sometimes. And they're not bad. Don't take it like that. But they're wicked, clear, like vivid. So here's a little notebook, and it has a little purple color in it. Kind of like the same designs that are on the top of that box. And it's just lined paper. Very cute. I always love a little notebook. Alright, so we got this. Alright, so what's this going to be? A gemstone ring. This elastic ring can be worn to incorporate that gemstone's energy into your day. Which stone chose you? I'm going to say this is green aventurine. And this is what it looks like. And then put it on your finger like that. That's pretty cute. You wear it on your middle finger. I personally would probably wear it on my thumb. Just because it's stretchy. That's what it looks like. So, green aventurine is what that is. I'll have to sage that and clear the energy off of it. Alright, and last but not least, stickers. I love stickers. And does it say anything? Witchy mini sticker sheet. Use stickers to decorate your box, place in your book of shadows, or use in your date planner to add some witchy fun to your practice. This was a great box. So far, I've been receiving this box. I forget when I started to order this. I'd have to look it up. Every box I've been pleased with from this place, and I believe this is my fourth. This is my fourth box, and I haven't had any repeats, and everything is well made. Like, look how cute that is. How can you not love that? And like all the details on everything, and everything's listed what's in there, you know, and everything that I've received, and like even the teas, I've tried the teas. They're very good. Like, nothing made me sick or anything like that. And this is change, opportunity, and luck, that pin means. Oh, and I said I would read to you. Oh, I forgot I have my flashlight on. I can't remember what it was. Oh, the purple candle. The weird or wired. I'll have to. It's a concept in Anglo-Saxon culture, roughly corresponding to fate or personal destiny. So it means fate, and that's the scent. When she chose, and personal destiny. I love that. I'll use that on my morning meditation altar. I think because that's what I'm drawn to do with it. And the color's just absolutely, it smells so good. Color's beautiful. So, that is the box. We got the ring, the candle, the incense, the pin, the ritual salt, the gemstones, clear quartz, the cauldron simmer, the stickers, and this beautiful box. So, that was our Ink Goddess creation box for the month of September. And I seriously cannot even wait for the month of October. I'm like so excited to see what is in. I loved last month. I did the FU candle, and it seems to have worked pretty good. I'm just sticking that in there. What do I do with the... Oh no, I put the ring in there. Okay, so that is our Magical Monday. Oh, I forgot. And the pencil and the pencil and the notebook. Forgot about that, sorry. So that's a lot of stuff. All fits in there nicely. I love pencils and books, and I love it all. So, with that being said, you have a blessed and magical day. And I will leave the Inked Goddess link down below. It's a subscription box. There's a few to choose from. I get the monthly one that's $35 a month. And like I said, the payment comes out around between the 1st and the 3rd of each month. And then the box comes really quickly. I mean, the payment came out on the 1st or 2nd through my bank, and it was here the 7th. So, and today's the 8th when I'm filming this. So, I haven't had any like real late boxes, or none of them have come, nothing's come broken. Everything's well wrapped. Everything's well made. Like any of the candles that I've received, the scents are just beautiful. They're not obnoxious. They're just nice. And like any of the ritual sprays and stuff, very nice and pleasing, and they work. And you can feel the energy on the things that come from the Ink Goddess. So I will leave the link down below, and if you're interested, you can buy just a one-time box, or she has other stuff on the website. So I will leave that link down below. So you have a blessed and magical day, and remember, don't let anyone tame your spirit. Bye.